Alright, so we're in the hotel. Who's gonna fart?
What?
Too late. Too late. Too late.
So look at.
She's here.
I can't see her.
She's in the lobby.
Where's Autumn? Where's Autumn?
So we're going to the observation deck to see all the cool things, aren't we, Zizi?
Hiding in the corner.
She's little. Alright, and then right.
Right. I don't know what's my left and right.
Oh, well, you'll figure it out soon. And then it took me about 5 minutes to figure this out, but what you do is you go
Scan.
tap, and then you open the door.
Oh yeah.
How long was this?
10 minutes. I watched everyone. I'm knocking on the door.
Look how cool it is.
You see all the water too, and the island.
How nice is this?
It's beautiful.
I'm so glad I accidentally found it. Yeah, that's why it's called Sun Deck. And there's the pool. I love it. Yep. What do you think, Ma? I love it up here. So the fan bam is having fun up here. Wow, look at all those buildings.
Ah, look at this gym work.
Stockholm's cool. What do you think of Stockholm?
Great.
What's your favourite thing about Stockholm? Look at Craigie doing exercise. What do you think about?
Oh my god.
What do you think about Stockholm?
That's pretty good from up here.
Yeah, it's nice, eh?
Yeah.
I'm not too pissed about not having a window in my room now.
No, when you got this, hey.
Stockholm's a tiny little hick town with hardly any buildings.
It's huge.
It's a feature.
What do you think of Stockholm, Daddy?
I think it's a great place.
Do you like it?
I can't understand why you criticise it. This is a wonderful place.
I
really
love
is nice.
Sweden.
You didn't. That's not what you said. This is, you're only saying that because it's on film. You
love
said what a
Stockholm.
hole it was. It's a lovely place. It's got everything. Rain, cold, wet, sleet, danger. Oh God, you freeze to death in seconds. But if you wear proper clothing, which nobody's got, you'd live forever here. I mean, food's absolutely cheap. I mean, you wouldn't eat it, but it's cheap. Gosh, that's a lovely place. I mean, look at this. The floor is wonderful. It's got a little water on it because it's been raining and you can slip and break your leg. But apart from that, it's a beautiful place. Wind's biting me right through. I'll have to go and see the doctor to get rid of the frostbite. But apart from that, it's a lovely place. It really drags you in, this place. I mean, you look over there, you see the spire of some building where someone was murdered. And you look down there and you see the spire of some building where someone was murdered. A lot of murdering in this place, isn't there? I mean, and then you look at the World Trade Center. Not a soul there, not a soul. Maybe it's Sunday, but it's not. It's a Tuesday and it's a working day. And they're not there. Nobody's home. It's just a holiday. But then again, Stockholm's a great place. Everyone's on holiday. Apart from the ones that got murdered anyway. But the thing is just a great place. Look at the flags. Those flags tell you everything you want to know. Unfortunately, there's not enough wind to see what they want to tell you. Other than that, everything is great. This is Stockholm, greatest place in the world for people who live in Sweden. Well, apart from Gothenburg and Homestead. But other than that, well, actually, the place in Denmark, what do they call Copenhagen? That's probably part of Sweden anyway. But it's a great place too. But not as good as Stockholm. Stockholm, you just can't beat Stockholm. Look at the water there. 2,000 people drowned there when the boat sank, but nobody cared. So that means it doesn't get the news and everyone thinks it's a great place, and it is a great place. Well, apart from the dead people. They've still been coming ashore every now and then, but it doesn't matter. People like finding things. It's a surprise to find a dead body, I tell you. But, and the lighthouse there, they built it there because it was too cold and dangerous to build it out on the rocks. Here it's great. It doesn't have any use, of course. It just lights up the water and no boats come here. But apart from that, it's a great lighthouse. It can be seen for at least 10 miles around Stockholm, and people that walk around the streets can say, oh, there's our lighthouse, and they know where they are. They're in Stockholm. Ships out at sea because it's just hit the rocks, who cares? There's not much to it really, but come to Stockholm, the place where ABBA lives. I haven't seen ABBA actually. In fact, they're gone somewhere. And that's probably why they're up here. It's pretty cold. And you can get a Nobel Prize here. A Nobel Prize for freezing.
Hey, door.
Hey, door.
No, that was good. So how's are you cold?
What?
Ah,
I'm numb.
numb. That whole speech I did made me numb.
Yeah, I tried to generate heat, but I'm freezing.
The sums. All right, ready and go.
Welcome to Sweden, Stockholm, the home built in the early 1200s. Just behind us here is the old town. If you want to span across here, you'll see the old town. Twice there's been major fires that have killed the churches and the major centerpieces of this town.
Okay, so we are somewhere. Where are we?
At the Scandic
We're at Scandic Hotel. We had a good day yesterday. Very tiring, very done. We're now going to go down and get some brekkie because fuck, I'm starving. I was up at 6:30, got coffee, got all the good stuff. Now I just want some brekkie. I'm hungry. Sarah just woke up.
Up him up a little bit.
Yeah.
I just didn't get out of bed straight away.
So, what's the plan for today?
Castle, ABBA Museum, see if we want to do something more. We might
Some
go somewhere on the
subways.
T-Bahn.
I want to go see some subways.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's my day. Hey doc. Which way is restaurant? Restaurant this way. There it is. I found it. Hey doc.
Exchange.
Good morning. So we are
That's
just
the-
finishing off brekkie. We found Dad.
Hello. Hello. Hey, good.
Hey
Not door.
Hey ball. Today we're figuring out what to do. Sarah was just telling us about the guards and what to do.
Hello,
So basically, we're just going to finish up brekkie. I'm going to go up and shower, and then we're going to be ready for the day.
Hopefully Deb is awake by then.
Hopefully.
Not mentally affected at all by being near.
So yeah, that's our plan for today. I hope it's a good one. We're all waiting for Deborah to wake up and carry her 37,000 bags across country tomorrow.
Yes, come on.
Luckily, we live next to the train station, so it's not too far.
I'll leave you there and we can drive back.
Have you got root pass?
No. We have Elsling.
Ilfling. She can carry Cedric.
Carry everything in her one arm.
And you under the arms.
Breakfast was good. I enjoyed it.
What was breakfast?
Really good. How's yours?
Very average.
Dad's at a different hotel. Still a Scandic, but the Grand Scandic. Grand Central Scandic. It's weird. Alright, and then we're going to go to the
Scrambled eggs
rooftop
was
again.
unedible. That's something I've never struck before. Not
The eggs
unedible,
you
inedible.
Have coffee.
The coffee's better than theirs. Theirs was
Alright,
They actually cleaned the floor and
rinse the water out. Alright, hey door.
It's above 12 or at 12?
At 11.
It's not-
So we're on our way to go pick up Deb now. We don't know if she's awake, alive or dead, so we're going to go and find out.
Oh, did you play back the pedal?
But we're going to go and see how cold it is outside.
Did you play back the?
Look at the moose head that lights up. Wow.
No. You want to do it again? Okay.
Good man.
Rude.
It's pretty disgusting.
Rude.
Maybe.
Funny.
Maybe defamatory.
Is it? Is it defamatory bear?
I don't know.
Whoa, it's cold. It's nippy. Are you ready? Ready for the day?
Oh yeah.
Hey,
I've been
hey.
ready for a while now.
Whatever. I was ready before you.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Alright, we're off to go see Mum.
Except you needed a shower.
Yeah, I like my shower. Alright, hey door.
Hello.
Okay, so we're just rocking up to the castle now to watch the changing of the guards. I think we need to be behind the cord.
Maybe.
And yeah, I'm excited. You want to jump over? I think here would be the best location if you think about it. So watching Changing of the Guards in Sweden, and it's pretty cool. This is what Sarah's brother used to do.
Yeah.
Alexander.
Yeah, but he used to do the horse parade.
Oh, horsey. The Changing of the Guards have really dressed down. You having fun, Bear?
Yeah, always.
It's cold.
I'm
I
with
love
you.
it. Hey,
Put
dog.
your jacket on.
Yeah, I just realised that. Hey, hey. This is impressive.
It's nice. There's a lot of girls in this platoon.
That was cool.
The Royal Palace in Stockholm is the official residence of His Majesty the King. The royal apartments are open to the public between the official receptions.
Okay, so we just watched the Changing of the Guards.
Yeah.
It was really cool. I really enjoyed it.
Really good with the horses today.
What'd you think, Faffy?
I think there was much to be seen.
Castle's back here. What's that,
No,
Parliament?
that's that's the castle.
Yeah, Castle, Parliament.
Grand Hotel
Robert,
is here.
Sarah. It's pretty big here. It's pretty cool.
It's one of the old
Cold might be a
bits.
better word.
It's pretty cold. So now we're gonna look for some food, get a coffee, and
go
figure
to
ourselves
Abba.
go to Abba. Abba, here we come.
Figure ourselves
And fika. How much fika do you want to have, Dad?
enough that'll kill.
He's cold. Sarah's hot. Hey, dog.
All right.
Hey, hey. I'm bra. Hey.